Hi everyone, Paul Morbid here, Morbid Team Entertainment. This week, while lying in bed battling the flu, I've been exploring more in-depthly my experimental horror film script, and some questions do come to mind, such as, for each of us, what can we lose in life? What do we care about in life? What do we not care about in life? And what can we do without? These are the prime subject questions that deal with my first experimental horror film, and we must ask ourselves strong questions, very important questions, for my new avant-garde horror film, currently working on, for 2023. Ask yourself these questions, they're very important. Paul Morbid of Morbid Team Entertainment. Do subscribe to the YouTube channel, join the Barter Buy and Sell group, and put a like on our page. Thanks a lot, and bye-bye.